An Air India flight from Phuket to New Delhi made an emergency landing after receiving a bomb threat mid-air. The plane circled over the Andaman Sea before safely returning to Phuket, where all 156 passengers were evacuated. Officials followed emergency protocols, though no details about the nature of the threat have been shared yet. The incident comes just a day after a deadly Air India crash in Ahmedabad that killed over 240 people. It also follows a surge in hoax bomb threats targeting Indian airlines and airports over the past year.